Hey, I'm Greg Gifford, the Vice President of Search Lab Digital, a boutique digital marketing agency based in Chicago and Dallas. If you're looking for help with SEO or PPC or both, we're the partner you're looking for. The most important thing to realize is that the cookie cutter OEM approved digital marketing vendors aren't going to help you. They only offer locked in packages regardless of your dealership's actual needs. And worst of all, any dealership can sign up. So in most cases, they'll be working for several of your competitors as well. I don't know about you, but I don't see how that works. If you're paying to get better visibility and your competitors are too, then who really wins? If you want to be successful in today's post-COVID world, you need a digital marketing partner who creates a customized strategy for your store and who won't work with your local competitors. Quick note, I'm going to start by telling you about our SEO service, but if you're more interested in PPC, you can fast forward to here. Or if you're curious about our NADA show specials, fast forward to here. For those of you who don't know me or didn't see my session on Tuesday, I've been doing SEO for car dealers for 14 years now. I don't just speak at automotive conferences, I speak at digital marketing conferences all over the world. So I know what actually works. I'm also a Google My Business Silver product expert. Google uses its local algorithm to return search results for anything related to dealerships. And that means you need to work with a provider who truly understands which signals matter to that local algorithm. Most providers in automotive don't even know what local SEO is. We don't have packages. We create a customized strategy for every dealership we work with. We use our framework to ensure that all the important signals are optimized each month, but how much we concentrate on each area depends on what you actually need. A few of the things that set us apart from other automotive SEO vendors. Number one, most vendors publish incredibly generic and ridiculously short content, typically averaging from 300 to 500 words. Google ranks content based on relevance and depth, and short boilerplate posts won't rank. We include 5 pieces of content every month, each at an average of 1,000 words. We even share a 6-month content plan with you so you'll know what's coming. No more, what the heck is this blog post calls with your vendor. We also include link building, which is one of the most important elements of local SEO, but one of the things that most automotive SEO vendors don't include. It's hard to do right, but we know how to acquire relevant local links that help you win. We also handle everything related to Google My Business, including setting up your nested GMB listings for your service and parts departments. We optimize the Q&A section, and we publish a weekly Google post. Reputation management is included as well. We monitor all the review sites and handle both positive and negative responses on a daily basis. Most automotive SEO providers have a disjointed team-based approach with many different people handling various elements of your strategy. With Search Lab, one consultant does it all. It's a more focused approach, and it's better for customer service since you talk directly to the person who actually does the work. Best of all, we're brand exclusive in a market, so we won't work with your local competitors. And there's no contract. We want you to work with us because it's a beneficial partnership, not because you're locked into a contract. Now let's talk a bit about PPC. Our director of paid search is Mark Irvin, who was named the #1 best PPC expert in the world in 2019 by PPC Hero, and the #1 best PPC expert in North America by Microsoft that same year. Most automotive paid search providers click a button to generate your campaign, and then use software to let your ads run on autopilot. At Search Lab, we create custom campaigns for every dealer we work with, which means no wasted ad spend because of bad generic targeting. A human touches your ad account on a daily basis, ensuring better results. Because most providers run on automation, it's common for a single person to handle over 100 dealerships. At Search Lab, we limit our paid search consultants to 30 dealerships because we know the work that goes into getting better results takes time. Most providers will spend anywhere from 40 to 60% of your ad budget running ads on brand terms and your dealership name. But in many cases, that's not necessary. Also, those ad clicks are almost always service customers that you'd win anyway, even if the ad wasn't running. But those ads are guaranteed to get clicks and conversions, so most vendors use them to pad their results. In fact, if you don't want service leads at all, we can do that. Since we build custom campaigns and monitor them with real humans, we can target as specifically as you want. And it's not just about standard paid search ads on Google. We also rock at retargeting, display ads, Facebook ads, and YouTube ads. Basically, if you can buy an ad somewhere, we can handle it for you. So let's talk about our NADA show specials. First, if you complete an SEO or PPC demo by the end of February, you'll be entered into a raffle to win a $500 Amazon gift card. Even better, if you sign up for SEO by the end of February, we'll knock $500 off the monthly price for your first year, saving you $6,000. And if you sign up for PPC by the end of February, we'll waive your setup fee. In most cases, that will save you around $2,000. If you have any other questions, please let us know. You can use the chat widget on our booth page here by this video, or you can book a demo so we can talk to you about what you need and how we can help. Thanks for checking out our virtual booth, and have a great NADA 2021.